think we've introduced ourselves yet. My name is Austin.
I'm Paul.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Reno.
You can call Paul Big Mountain if you want.
Big Mountain. I should pull the voice cracker out. If I hear Big Mountain,
He's the Blue Ridge Mountain. He's got the blue jacket. We'd like to talk with whoever's here. Learn a little bit about you. Set out some toys you can play with. If you want to. If you like any of them, you can go to them and set them off.
did you stay up here? If you lived up here, can you set off one of the devices?
I don't know why those two K2s keeps flashing like that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go for those. One off.
I got two other ones. I don't know why those ones are acting up.
No. K2 susceptible to cold?
Hello.
What's crazy though is the music box went off and then that went off.
Mm-hmm.
No? Wonder if I could put the flashlights right there.
The two stands those balls are sitting on, one of them says yes and one of them says no. If you want, we can you can flash off to one for yes and no to answer questions. If you want to tell us a little bit about yourself.
Is it okay that we're up here? I heard that you walk across the floor loudly. Can you walk in the other room for us so we can hear you? Can you knock or tap on something? You get tired of people asking you to do things? Cap on the steps going off.
They used to hide you away up here, you know, when guests would come.
Did I see you at the stairs?
There's a lot of cars going down that road.
We're still pretty early. Was it like 7 or something now?
Yeah, 7:10.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll die down as it gets later. You guys get tired of hearing those cars fly up and down the road? You want to try and nest these up here?
Don't really feel like anything is going on, does it?
What the fuck? Felt like,
Something touched you on the back of your neck or something.
no, it felt like somebody like fucked with the back of the chair.
You messing with her chair?
Maybe something was trying to hide right there beside you.
I felt something to the left of me. Like I could just
Very
feel
good.
something right here. And like it went behind me. It went behind me. Like a little kid got down.
Could see you as like a motherly figure. Yeah.
Huh?
You could see you as like a motherly figure.
Was there footsteps over there? Is it you behind me?
Can you make a knocking sound or make a bang? Is that when you yell? You hear that?
I heard it like a
It sounded like a little bang. I don't know if it was when you yelled.
Is there a Susie up here? There's a box on the step down there that plays music. If you stand in front of it, you'll get it to go off. Can you stand in front of it? Cat ball's going off. In front of it.
Did you hear that?
Or like a creaking.
Yeah, or like a stomp out there.
Hey, question. What does that noise do?
Huh?
Can you slide it like that?
The what?
The noise again in the corner?
Is that a REM pod over there? Was it like going off?
It was going off for a while.
Oh, yeah, what did I did put a REM pod over there. It wasn't making any noise though.
You might have the noise turned off because on them you can turn the noise off.
No.
On the new ones. You know, because if you're trespassing, you don't want to have people hear noise.
That question. Or was that one of the last? Yeah, that one was going off for a while.
Whoa.
That was a move.
Yeah, I heard that one.
That wasn't it?
That was down there.
It sounded like a door.
Mm-hmm.
Is that you making a bang?
You wanna come over here with us?
Hey, come in here and talk to us.
You know, one over there is lighting up.
Are you over there in the corner in the back? I'm just happy the music box isn't acting normal. How's that one? You going off too?
Mm-hmm. It's not the rain. I don't know what that is. Temperature.
This one was going off for a while too. This one.
Just got those. I'm not sure about them yet.
Are you sure you got it's not?
That was a loud bang. Yeah.
That's not.
Must fell under us, which would be the men's ward. I know the new REM pods have a feature where you can turn the volume off on the REM pod, like.
It's all scratchy.
Like a fucking animal or something? Sound like something on the roof. Or in the walls.
It's coming this way. Right here.
It's in the walls.
It's in the walls.
It sounds loud. Big.
I picture it's like a raccoon in a wall.
Or a rat.
Is there a hole up there, I think? Okay.
Maybe it's one of the roofs. It's like snow crunching.
Yeah.
I'm playing skylight.
Shit, somebody run outside and look at the roof.
Wanna go look at the creepy tower and see if we see anything?
It's weird.
It sounded like snow crunching, didn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it did.
And there's snows on the skylights.
Yeah.
So,
Saw that one.
I don't know what the fuck could be up there that would do that. I mean, I don't think it's paranormal. I'm just trying to think animal-wise. Like, what the hell would... Raccoon, but it would have to climb the whole
Or a
building.
raccoon, you know, when it's this cold. You have to trudge
I
through the
don't
snow.
know. They're trash pandas. They do whatever they want. I don't know. I mean, trash pandas were in Trans-Allegheny in the middle of winter when I went the first time.
Deer on the roof.
Hmm. You want to go down to the next floor and we'll try it later here?
We can go over to the dungeon.
Oh, we could. You could just leave shit set up in here and flip it around.
Hear that?
Like scratching again.
Sound like it was down there.
Yeah, I mean, we can go down that way.
It's weird, it's scratching.
I mean, it's random. There's no movement from us to make that go off. Can you make it go off again?
Heard a footstep down there.
No.
No, you don't want to make it go off? That's okay, you don't have to. We just asking. If you won't, you won't. I'm sure you get tired of people asking you to do stuff all the time.
Were you the one making those noises down there? Down the hallway?
That's good for me again.
I could try to pull out a portal off or something. But sometimes that draws stuff in.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, that's me.
I breathed in.
I am my feet.
It is pretty cold over here.
Like,
Hmm?
I don't know. I feel cold here.
Hmm.
No, was it really?
You want to do anesthesia in there where the chains are?
Yeah, we can. If you want, we can move in there.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, we could just leave. Well, maybe you could turn the. Well, maybe you should just turn it off because we won't be able to see it anyway.
Leave everything in here, just go over there.
Yeah, and just leave it on.
Nobody's gonna be in here to look, we'll see anything now.
I mean, if you turn the audio on,
Oh, we just take it with us.
or you could take them, yours ones in there, and we could just do Estes in the phone. Might want to bring chairs and shit though. First knee click of the night. First of many.
What did you do?
You still playing your Call of Duty?
Yeah.
The new one?
Apparently they don't like Call of Duty.
I think I played Black Ops 7 for maybe a few days and then I'm like, ugh.
Would that be setting off?
What? The ball?
No.
That thing's having a problem because normally it just stays straight green. Like the one on the steps in there. It's 21.4 degrees in there. I think that was some kind of an animal up there.
It sounded like it. Well, actually, it wasn't coming from on the top. It was coming from the wall. In the wall.
I don't know how thick the walls are. I think it's just brick.
Chair.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring a chair. So that's what this thing does.
No, it lights up.
Yeah, but if it lights up cold, it's colder than what it calibrates. So you can actually see stuff move in it. And that's reading hot because my hand is warmer than it calibrated. So when I kept saying something was peaking, like something would come like over here. Like it would do like the corner and then back away. Yeah, like that.
That's
So,
cool.
so something was peaking. And you can actually get images, like it'll make,
Oh, that's cool. How much did that cost?
I don't think he got it for like $500 or 400 something.
Jesus, dang. So all this equipment is this?
Most, I mean the stuff I'm carrying is mine, and then he's got the big thing.
Heavy duty?
He probably has more than me, for sure. He has cooler ones. I don't even know how to turn it off. Is it the red button? Well, damn, with some new batteries, that thing is working good. Yeah, I got the balls on there, so if I am going to sit the music box to face, hopefully this way. We're gonna have Austin do it. I'll just turn this off. Oh. So where do you want to sit, sir? Jesus. I'm gonna.
It's that White Castle. I'm telling you.
Jesus, I can taste it.
Taste the rainbow.
Horrible.
The White Castle Special Edition.
Good thing you didn't print.
Do you want to sit up there, and because we can sit down here and ask questions? Yeah, it's horrible, man.
What's in there?
No, like sit down there by the back wall, and they can sit up here around me, and we can ask you questions.
Stay there. Here. Oh dear God. Okay, no,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Cheese and rice.
Cheese and rice. Oh, you're talking about the cheese and rice.
No, I have a friend, instead of saying Jesus Christ, he says cheese and rice. So I picked it up when I was drinking.
You can't even stand your own smell.
Well, that wasn't me, that was him.
Oh.
I don't want to stand his smell.
Dude, you smell that smell? Smell that surrounds you. The heavenly aroma.
Yeah, I think it's at that point of the night where I need a pair of gloves. Oh, they're gonna use my favorite.
And we'll let you guys watch around me.
Won't it pick you up though?
Yeah, but you'll see anything else around me too.
Is there any way to have it calibrate when you've already sat down?
Well, it'll show where I am, but it'll also show anything else.
Bring the flashlight.
No, I didn't. No.
And I've had like 5 of those down to 2 double also.
You would have to have headphones on.
They're in the room, like, yeah.
I think mine are in the hotel.
Really?
I don't know. I thought I put them in here, but they're not in here.
You have a blindfold?
Yeah. Everything else.
I'll do it.
You wanna do it when we go downstairs?
I'll do it. Okay.
I could go get them when we get pizza. I thought I put one. I don't know where the hell it is.
Well, I mean, if we got one pair, okay.
Yeah. I bought some $600 noise canceling headphones. I think they're sitting at the hotel right now. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Everything is cool. Not gonna lie, I never thought it would be like.
How big am I on that screen? Am I small?
I don't see it. It looks like it. I ain't doing nothing yet. It still says getting baseline.
I'm not coming up on that screen?
No, it still says getting baseline. Because when I do this with my hand, it doesn't change or nothing.
This thing takes a lot of power. This power thing doesn't give it any fuel. There it goes. Now I think the power bank's on. There it goes. Didn't have enough power.
Interesting.
Now you can see me, right?
Yeah.
How much am I taking up that screen?
The whole fucking thing, you're big as shit.
Can you still see around me?
Yeah.
It's not that way. It's like
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like,
I don't see you, like, it's not showing red, it's showing blue. It's kinda, yeah, it's showing you as blue. Which is fine.
maybe just because it's so far away and it's so cold.
No, my heat shows
But I
up
keep
as,
seeing
red.
like a blue dot. pop up.
It's consistent showing him in the same spot though.
Yeah.
If you see movement, I'll say when I do Estes, you might see movement.
That was me. Yeah, because a lot of times when you do this, stuff starts happening more.
Like either put it this way or put it that way. What do you think?
Thing's recording.
And
Thing's recording.
Jesus, that is bad. Holy shit, White Castle's horrible.
I could have told you that.
Well, we don't got them in Maryland, so it's like, I turned it on.
Oh, that explains why you didn't know what a crave case was.
Yeah, exactly. We don't have
Oh my god.
Oh, we're gonna challenge each other tonight.
The guys are gonna be like, ugh. Oh god, yeah.
Just making
That's
a
like-
formal apology.
Rancid onion and mushroom.
Yeah, look, now you're showing up red. The closer you get, you're red.
Like making a formal apology to the ghosts in here.
I might put it facing this way. I don't know. I was thinking that something came up and you're near me, you can see it.
Well, yeah, I mean, you can face it that way. Yeah, I was thinking as while you're on this, maybe you're running the portal box as well, but like running it like with heavy noise gate. Don't make fun of me, it was free.
Oh, I already know, it's pink. That's the thing that amplifies the spirit box.
So you can hear.
So, you know how, like when I was watching the Dick Ross one, they had him and they had a big, huge, like, thing. That's like a little baby version. Right? Essentially, like Nick Groff and him had that big, huge amplifier thing. This is like the little version of it.
There's several different ones. There's, I forget all their damn names. There's a Geoport, which sounds weird.
Yeah, that's what they had. But it was like huge. I love driving stuff.
Can you smell that smell? If you guys want to run all the way downstairs, I got hand warmers, so keep your hands warm. Put your stuff in your pockets, like in your boots, stuff in your hat. They put off heat.
No, thank you. We got those.
That's right, that little hole.
No,
Good God almighty.
That wasn't me, was it?
Nope.
Somebody dropped a phone or a flashlight or
Oh, my phone.
Okay, I was gonna say I didn't mind because I got my hands in my pocket.
I'm sitting here trying to turn a portal box on with no fucking batteries in it.
Oh, you gave me the headphones. I'm dumb.
I'm just
Like,
Yeah, I know.
color of the bag.
I turned her even on, waiting for you to plug it in and go.
I was over here waiting for the
This is
headphones.
the blooper reel, so you don't see them. Most of ghost hunting is just like this.
Are these headphones on?
Uh-huh.
Listen, if you guys hear a good boom in the sun, that's me. Listen, I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna listen. It's like,
As you can hear, it's very loud. So I'm not going to be able to hear anything.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
You got a sneaker?
I had one Coup got one, I went and grabbed the batteries.
Silent and deadly. What hospital?
Sometimes it's hard to like determine what is radio, what isn't. So what I always do is like if you think you hear what it says, just say it. But if you're not sure, you could just say, I think it said this, or like. Because there's times where I hear something, I don't say it, but I'm like, man, I should have said what I thought it said.
Whoa. Is it screaming at you?
That's a reverb.
Oh.
I could just hold it. I got the noise gate on like really high. I've never actually done nesties on this at the same time. Alright, well, now we just ask questions. Ask questions about this place. Now what you're trying to see is if you can get your question answered.
Hey,
without
brother.
Well, hello.
him being able to hear us.
Group in here?
What is it?
Ruben?
Reuben? Is your name Reuben? Yes.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Come on in and talk to us. There's a
I'm
woman.
coming.
Coming? Come on.
Down in the morgue, we're together.
You're down in the morgue?
It's a woman who just said hi.
He laughed.
What are you laughing at? What's down there?
The big man.
Are you talking about Paul?
What's one? Because we're both kind of big. Well, one's a little bigger than the other, but we don't talk about that. What's down in the morgue? I couldn't make that
I
up.
couldn't hear, but I heard.
Were you chained up here and left up here? Yes.
Sound like yes?
Yes. So,
I'm right here.
where's right here?
Here.
You like being able to hear yourself?
Yeah.
You can actually hear your voice?
This is the radio.
Yeah.
This room is long.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait for it.
What are we waiting for?
I'm ready.
What are you ready for?
Freezing in here.
It is cold.
And they were chained up here 365.
Let's go.
Where are we going?
Austin?
Is Austin cold? And that's a dumb question. We're all cold.
Prisoner.
Prison? You're a prisoner up here?
He's naughty.
He's what?
Naughty. See that, Reno. Look, here it is. See how fast it's changing radio stations? So for you to hear a response over multiple stations is impossible. It'd be like
It's-
hearing,
It said you're a bitch.
Who's a bitch?
who's a bitch?
Voodoo.
Yeah. Almost, I thought it said stop it.
Yeah, it kind of sounded like that.
Talking with the dead.
That's what. Homeless. There, said you were homeless?
Do you know you're dead?
It's alright to be here.
It's alright to be here? Or it's your right to be here?
You're crazy.
We're crazy for coming and talking to you? We're crazy for being here when it's 20 degrees in this attic?
We know we're crazy for that.
Well, we like that 150 price tag.
I'm gonna get the pastor.
The pastor?
I'm cold.
I feel you on that one.
Freezing.
Mm-hmm.
They locked me in here.
You won't.
Can't feel my hands.
I know that feeling.
I can't feel my toes.
My feet are actually hot. I can't feel my damn hands. So.
Get these off me.
Where are you at?
Yeah, so they literally work into the walls in these temperatures. Yes.
What region?
It's Pastor John.
Pastor John.
Is Pastor John here?
Hi.
Hello?
Why are you up here, Pastor John? I'm pretty sure they didn't have.
Are you giving your Sunday service?
I didn't do it.
Do what?
Hi.
Hello?
Did they say hi?
What are you doing here?
Alright, why do you want us to hide?
Smart.
I wonder about that.
I thought before it said, I don't know.
What do you wonder about?
It's really cold holding this thing.
Are you on the stairs?
It is getting a red signal. Okay, now that right there when there were multiple sweeps, whatever that woman just said. Come on up and talk to us. Is there a Susie up here?
Really? I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for?
I gotta sit somewhere. I'm afraid that. Oh, here it is.
Something beat the shit out of me.
Who beat the shit out of you?
Had sex when I'm not supposed to? You got it.
Is that why you were up here? Because you had sex, so they changed you to the wall?
Have mercy.
Huh?
They threw me in here, Richard.
Richard threw you in here, or is your name Richard?
They say Richard on that?
Get me out of here.
Homeless?
Oh, that one man screamed homeless into it. You came here because you were homeless?
Home. Hold on.
Holy shit, I am cold, man. Dirty. Watch your step. Women aren't supposed to be up here.
Do you want me to leave?
Damn true.
No.
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 You hear that? That was a no. Do you want me to leave? No. And I'm pretty sure that just said run.
I'm horrified. What they'll do.
That's pretty cool. Hopefully. I'm sure my microphone caught that. Hopefully.
Hi.
Hi. Sometimes it's hard to understand, but sometimes you can hear it. Like I said, no. And I got the noise gate pretty high. I mean, what is it? So, Reno, what this normally sounds like? So this thing is taking a lot of the white noise out, and it amplifies responses. The more noise gate it's on, the harder to get responses. So if shit comes through when it's really high.
Move the bell forward.
What is the bell for?
No.
Is that what it said? What is the bell for? There's 2 bells downstairs.
You'll pay the price for this.
For For what? I don't know.
Let him out.
That was a long response. Something now.
Oh, I thought it said, let him out,
Maybe get out now?
or let him out now.
Wanna let him out of the wall, out of the chains?
What was that?
What are you doing?
Woo!
What, you're calling over there?
What's going on?
Dude, you said girls aren't supposed to be up here. And she said, do you want me to leave? And clear, loud as fuck, a woman came through and said, no,
Like screamed it.
no. Like on the rope. And you said something, Richard, and then Richard came through in here.
Uh-uh.
Well, we can try and move to another floor.
That was crazy.
There's a warm room.
That was crazy.
How much time do you got left? So we can try and do an SD.
So I could get a clock. Yeah, that was crazy. Something about 2 in the basement were here.
Yeah, you said something in the basement in the morgue.
And then big man.
You know, it's funny is because I told him I want to do a solo in the freezer tonight in the morgue. Big man. Freezer.
Yeah, it says we're here, 2 of us.
Oh.
Oh, God.
I'm cold.
My toes. My toes is gone.
Go down to the office and meet the meeting.
What time is it?
Oh, almost 8 o'clock.
Oh, they never asked me what.
Yes, something about what's the bell for?
And you said, what's the bell for?
Oh. That shifted.
Let's just go.
I gotta put it in the bag.
Is it rag or something?
Was that door cracked open before?
Yeah, it's locked.
Well, that was interesting. That's the first time I ever did this. And that damn, look at that crick.
Oh. Get some food, maybe.
Where's that? Dude, you gotta wait. Either shut this on here. There it is. That was pretty interesting.
Is that your son? Oh, I heard this.
This is the nurse. Please, please, please. I go get the shit from the other room.
This is something about steps. I'm sorry.
Alrighty, we're gonna go to a different floor and see what we get.